Alright you guys, so this is a really ghetto setup on the bus, Meals on the Bus edition. And so today it's Saturday, August 25th, and I'm having a chicken meal. And so I haven't been to this mall for a long time, and they have a different restaurant that not every mall has, and it's a rotisserie chicken restaurant. And so I did the side dish of the corn and the rice. And so I've never had this place for a long time, so I have no idea how it tastes. So Matthew, my ex, is driving the Global Fest bus this year. The bone plate is there. So he is allowed to bring 1 or 2 extra passengers, and apparently I'm the only one that took it up on the offer. Because nobody else, none of the other drivers seems to be bringing along friends or anything. So I seem to be the only passenger.
Leaving the parking lot.
So I decide not to get any food tonight at the Global Fest because it's the same stuff the whole time. Isn't this such a ghetto setup, you guys? So for this video, I am trying to get back to the routine of cooking and stuff like that, but with the way the layout of the new place is, I just have to do the shopping a little bit. I am not really to do the big load of shopping like I used to. So I have to, like the European style, I have to like buy it fresh every day. Let me try their chicken. I got the quarter chicken. There's the big piece of the chicken. I saw this other customer here at this restaurant. They is it like a really American style, southern style thing? It's like they sell this a hot chicken. They sell this a hot chicken sandwich with gravy smothered on top. Is that a really an American style food? Because that looked really good as well. Maybe next time I'm gonna come here to try that. Because this part of the city is not my neck of the woods. Like their side dishes, they got like mashed potatoes and stuff like that. But if you guys been my followers for a long time, you guys know I am of course gonna choose corn. And Asian style, I gotta choose rice. if you guys know me, I'm like gonna be very predictable. Holy shit, this is like some half-ass like baby fork. This fork is like for babies. It's not even a cornbread. It's like a little, like a white muffin of some sort. I wish they would offer gravy. I don't know why they didn't offer gravy. Stupid fly. But like this small out here though, it's like seems to be half empty, half dead.
$46.40 to Charter Base.
Like when they do this Global Fest thing, it's like
I don't know if you guys were looking for me. I just thought I better make sure you know I was out here. I'm heading down to Marlboro now. I should be there in about 15 minutes.
This is a Global Fest thing. They do it like a military operation with the buses and stuff like that.
Feel the base?
Get away! Speak English.
Good.
Fly.
I just turned on 17th Avenue onto the gear point. There's a guy walking around out here that's not all lipid. Can you phone whoever you have to phone? He's walking up towards 26th Street there. But he's walked in front of traffic 3 or 4 times now.
It's like a panhandler?
Yeah, Tindor, you passed me. I'm on 17th Street now. I'll give them a call.
Leave it in the house.
They seasoned it pretty good. How are you guys doing today for the weekend? Hope you guys are doing well.
Copy, Dr. B.
I cannot believe it's another summer done. It's like over. It's like fall already.
Stand by for basic.
Like again, it's right now. It's all the back to school stuff. Back to school.
That's what.
So, when I go on vacation this year at the Newark airport, it's like a 2-hour layover, and so to Miami, and so I've never been to Newark airport before, so maybe I'm gonna be most likely doing an eating show there. And so what restaurants?
I may very well have the remainder of the folks on the bus. If there's no cars, I want to see people offload.
What restaurants are popular in the Newark airport? Anybody knows? Let me know. And then also same at the Denver airport. I've never been to the Denver airport and I got like a 2-hour layover, so let me know what restaurants are popular there. So I'm probably...
they're close enough. I can see one couple's walking back. There's not that many cars there. We'll see how many cars are left when everybody departs.
So I'm gonna be doing an eating show at the airport for sure. You know, I am so excited. It's like for a few years.
To charter base?
For a few years, I haven't gone on vacation, but then
Go ahead.
now I'm going on vacation again.
Good evening, I'm in Unit 4647.
10-4, thank you. Hey, Josie, it's Delaney. Mom and I are on our way. We're just pulling out of Midnight Yard. 10-4, thank you.
I better eat up fast because the customers might be coming soon.
Checking in for charter base. Sorry, can you turn on your name, please?
This is Aldrin. I'm in Unit 6506.
10-4, Aldrin, you should have received your waybill. I did fire it off to you, okay?
Yeah, thank you. I just got it.
10-4, sorry about that.
No worries at all. Thanks.
This fork is like a baby fork, like so annoying.
Bus number 7166, leaving for Marble Mall for Elephant Park.
Okay, let me double check there. I don't know. 10-4.
You guys get to hear other people's voices besides my voice.
Can you come here, please? 6387.
Alright guys, so enough of this bus banter. It's just rice and corn. The chicken was okay, but it's like chicken. And so I am going to be showing you some of the fireworks after this clip here. So thank you so much for hanging out with me whatever time you did. And so hopefully you guys had a good summer. And don't forget to check out all my other older videos on my playlist on my channel. And I'll see you on the next one. Hey guys, so now I'm back. I'm back with dessert. And I got the Dairy Queen Blizzard. I got the usual one that I like there. It's the only one that I really like. It's the
drivers that went to Highfield, please.
Strawberry Cheesecake Blizzard.
The driver you just said, I'm just
There's just something about the Dairy Queen is so classic. And Matthew was like looking so funny with the vest, like so official.
When you're at Highfield, can you go into the office there and grab a drink or cheesecake?
I just had a piece of cheesecake. Oh.
Remington driver, can I get the first downtown general bus making its way for pickup?
Matthew, have you seen the commercials on TV yet for that? They usually have it in the summer, but they don't. It's the... I was waiting and waiting for the confetti cake blizzard. It looks like they didn't have it this year. You know that one that I like, the confetti?
Oh, the confetti.
It's just basically just the little bits of cake with sprinkles, but I just love it. Like, you guys know that I used to work at a Dairy Queen before. The only thing that I remember that they still have, and it's like that cotton candy blizzard, but the syrup they use for that is so awful purple color. It's like Willy Wonka type of purple.
4655. Come here, please.
Come here, please. Okay. Who's that? Is that your?
4649.
Is that your friend that was working there?
Yeah, that's one. Yay! Now we got more buses coming in. Good.
Because
6878. Can you please come here and park behind 6518?
Matthew got another co-worker he used to work with at another job, and she is working for this company as well. Isn't that funny how small the world is, hey Matthew?
Yep. 7171.
7171.
Just behind 7198.
So right now, I think today, I am not going to be really hanging out at the festival grounds. I think I'm going to hang out with Matthew for a few rounds of his bus ride. Because, you know, you've been to there once. You don't need to go to the grounds again. Because I got my fatty dose of the kettle popcorn already. Did you buy kettle corn?
I had a small bag at the beginning.
I've been shoving my face with that the whole day. Can't you believe it? They've been around since 1998. I just noticed on the bag. It's like, what, 20 years? Must be good money, hey? They've been around for that long. Well, they got loyal customers like me that always keeps on coming back every time for the darn kettle corn that is so good. Right, Matthew? Alright guys, so I'll finish this off and I'll see you very soon.